You're out here at 1122 Baird Avenue. And who am I, you might ask? Well, I'm Amarillo Jones. Amarillo, named after the city I was once conceived as a young child. And I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. We're gonna have us a little open house on Sunday from 1 to 3. That's right, you heard me. Uno y tres. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 4,100 square feet. Yeah, that's sitting at $158 a foot. Where you gonna find that in this county? That's a steal. Now you might think I'm all hat, no cattle, but this baby has all the bells and whistles. Yeah, fully loaded like your kitchen sink. Speaking of sinks, let's go check out this gourmet kitchen. As you take a lustful gander at this gourmet kitchen, you'll notice a double oven, granite countertops, plenty of cabinetries where you can hide all your late night hors d'oeuvres. And you best believe we cooking with gas up in here. This house has hardwoods so clean you could eat off of them, carpets so fresh and soft you could sleep on them. I might even nestle down by this fireplace, take me a little cat nap on a cold winter's night. And off your primary bedroom on the main floor, you walk into this big old primary bath with a standalone shower, double vanities, and my favorite part, this whirlpool jacuzzi tub. You turn the jets on, it feels like a little masseuse chopping at your back. You don't believe me? Come give it a whirl yourself. And just in case a storms are brewing, we got a storm shelter to protect you from all the elements right here in this 2-car garage. You could even hide a couple bodies in there. Huh, just kidding. You might be hit with a little inquisition. What's out back, Amarillo? I'm glad you asked, because this big beautiful home sits on 0.6 acres, which means a big old backyard surrounded by trees, creating the perfect little oasis for all your tomfoolery. Formal dining room, we got it. French doors opening into a little flex room, we got it. Big bonus room, we got it. Ostrich skin boots, 'cause you know I got it. Well, if that didn't just tantalize your taste buds, I know what will. This Sunday at my open house, 1 to 3, we'll have a little crumble cookie for you. Yeah, you heard me. Crumble cookie. So come on out, we'll get straight to it. And if you have any questions, ask Amarillo or my good buddy Pruitt. 615-653-1218.